Magandang gabi. So, katatapos lang ng game number 56 ba? No? Or at least yung game between, I forgot the number of games, but the game between Adamson and Ateneo. No? So, Adamson win. Adamson won over Ateneo 69-55. That prompted an do or die playoff this coming Wednesday for the number 4 seed, no, and the winner will face De La Salle University Green Archers as the number 1 seed sa UAP. So the Adamson was led by Manu Anabo, no? Or at least Manu Anabo got the player of the game with 13 points on 3 of 6 sa 3-point area. The game was close, no? All the way. The game was close all the way. Pero pagdating ng dulo, nakaalagwa na ang Adamson at hindi na hinayaan na makabalik pa si Ateneo. So it was a sorry loss for Ateneo, especially for I think 2 of their graduating players, si Kun, no? Si Kun and I think si Kentivas ba 'yon, no? I forgot the ano. Basta dalawa, no? So they will be graduating without a title, at least not reaching the final 4. Okay? So for Adamson, it's living for another fight, or at least living for another day, fighting for another day. This time against the UE Red Warriors this coming Wednesday. At ang standing pala nitong dalawang to, first round and both 1-1, no? 1 win, 1 loss. They met once in first round and second, another one in the second round. So each of them won 1 each and lost 1 each as well. So tie. So talagang bakbakan to sa Wednesday, no? Ang matirang matibay, who has the biggest fighting heart, or at least the hungrier team would win the coveted number 4 seed. Okay? So balikan natin. So the number 1 seed is the De La Salle University Green Archers. The second seed is the University of the Philippines Fighting Maroons. The third seed is the University of Santo Tomas Growling Tigers. And the fourth seed is a fight between the UE Red Warriors and the Adamson Soaring Falcon. So ang labanan is ang number 1, which is the Green Archers, will face the winner of the UE against Adamson. Nakatag na ang second final berth, no? Between the UP Fighting Maroons and the University of Santo Tomas Growling Tigers. So tingnan na lang natin sa Wednesday kung sinong makakalaban ng Green Archers. At antabayanan natin ang resulta sa Wednesday's do or die number 4 seed playoff match. Yun lang. That's it, guys. I'll just keep you posted, and please do like, share, and follow my YouTube channel. Thank you, guys. Ciao. Let it out.